Next, we're going to look at the journal. If you click on journal, you'll see all your past entries. You can see your mood check-ins and your journal entries, and you can also start a new entry. If you click mood check-in, it's going to ask you about your emotions. You can select up to 3 emotions to communicate how you're feeling. Once selected, it's going to ask you how intense these feelings are. And then it's also going to ask what's contributing to these feelings. You can select up to 3 factors that's contributing to your emotions right now. Once selected, you can either journal about it or save and complete the mood check-in. If you journal about it, it's going to give you some questions about why you're feeling that way. Once your journal is complete, you can save your entry and then you'll receive your personalized entry reflection. You earn points for every mood check-in you complete. You can always go back and view your old entries and also view automated suggestions for what you may need to add to your plan based on your entry. The final tab at the bottom is Insights. If you click on Insights, it'll give you your weekly and monthly reports showing all the data, patterns, and trends from your past entries.